Earlier on, I explained about the dots that are present over here. It I can explain again that this dots represents the various players that I have taken for my dataset, and also now I will explain uh, in this what the PCA1, PCA2, and PCA3 represents. Okay, so this falls under the study of multivariate analysis, and uh, one thing that I forgot to explain in the earlier video is that I can rotate this. Okay, I can rotate the plane of this and I have my data or image from wherever I want to, and this can be done for various purpose to have the most accurate picture that you can want to take. For now, I will explain the components. For example, PCA1, it shows what scale or dimension it represents. Okay, for example, the betting strength, overall betting strength, low economy versus high economy. Okay, next, which contrasting PCA2 is which contrasting ability it separates. For example, betting dominance versus bowling dominance. And PCA3 is the hidden pattern. For example, control versus aggression, economy versus strike rate, and boundary versus dots. So from this we can have the basic and most detailed idea about all the components, all the players from this single diagram or single plot. So this PCA plot is very much helpful for multivariate component analysis and also uh, big data study. So